Hello guys, it's me, Best Lego Boy. I was just checking out some of my old videos that was made on my old camera. And yeah, today I want to show you a new Nerf gun. It's called Mega! And I don't know how to pronounce it. The actual scent here on. Right here. So, yeah. So, this is the ammo. Holds 6 darts. Just put it in like so, and this is the dart. Same on the other side. And put it in like so. I'll hold it. This is old, so I don't know how far it'll shoot and how powerful it'll go. But, yeah. Let's see if it's good. And yeah, it has like a little door to see if it's good. And it has the knob to pull it down. And back up. And it'll probably go at least up to here. If you didn't have like that much strength to pull it all the way down, like, and then it'll stop there, then then back up. And so yeah, has a slide thing. This is part of the thing, so it's not like gonna be a big box. It is a big box, but I got this thing at Walmart, and yeah, so let's see how far it'll shoot. Okay. Oh, snap! It actually ricocheted and it shoots far. Let's see. Oh, up to here. Right there. That is pretty far. Oh, well, this is Best Lego Boy signing off. Peace out, guys.